Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to see the Matchbox cars that I have in my collection. And my Matchbox collection is not that big. I just have 3 cars in my collection. But let me tell you guys, all of them are very precious. They are detailed models and they hold some space in my heart. So let me start with this one I recently bought. This is a 2004 Honda S2000 and this is from the Japan series opening hood. Then I have this one, and this is the 1983 Buick Rivera, and this is the American car from Matchbox. This is from the Zing series. Let me keep it aside. And next we have this one, Nissan 2020 Leaf. This one also a very good looking car. So we'll see them one by one, but let me start first with the Japan series car. We'll see that in detail. I have all cars long videos in my playlist also, you can go and check out there. But let's start with this Matchbox first, Japan series. You can see it is a very nice card, box art over here. This one I got for 650 from a hobby store, and this is a direct import, guys, so you can't find this car easily in India. And this is a Honda official license product, as you can see. Okay, this comes in this butter paper thing. Not sure what this paper called, but it looks like a butter paper. And here we have this beautiful art. Look at this, guys, how beautiful they have made this Honda. It's a convertible, but look at it, it's too good, man, it's too good. This is one of my favorite cars from Matchbox, and this is just the money I've spent on this, and the result I've got, the product I've got is fabulous. Look at this green color. Oh my god, it looks too good. Look at the detailing of this car. And if you're wondering why this is this small, it's like less than my finger, because initially Matchbox were supposed to be fit in a matchbox, so they made cars like to look like they will fit in matchbox, a real matchbox that we used to lit gas and all. So because of that only they made it like this in the shape, so it is a perfect ratio of a car, you can say. This is from the Japan series, and you know what is the speciality of this car, I'll tell you afterwards, but we'll see the detailing first. Let me zoom in for you guys. Yeah, you can see a Honda logo over here. The headlights are plastic inserts and they look too awesome. You can see the grill. If you see from the front, you'll notice the car is smiling, and this is what I like about the detailing over here. If you see, it is smiling like a cute child. Very good. Coming to the side, you can see it's not that much detail, but you can see some mirrors. Okay, mirrors are provided, a door, engraving and all. Interior also is very good. See the detail of the interior. This is the convertible part. And coming to the back, see how detailed it is. The tail light, the logo over here, this mini light, and the number plate, it's written as 2000. Look at the exhaust, guys. Oh my god, it's too good. Now coming to the main part of this car, and this is the opening hood. You're able to see how detailed the hood is. It's written VTEC over there and the Honda logo, and It's too good, man. Look at the detailing over here. Who will say like this small car they have made and then so much detail they have provided in the car, and that is commendable. See the windshield also they have provided wiper and all. Isn't that look great? The tires are normal plastic only, but they also look good. You see the chassis is also made of plastic only, but the body is made of metal. So it is written 2004 Honda S2000 and some detailing over there, 2007 metal, made in Thailand, and you can see the detailing, the exhaust, how it's going, the chassis detail. It's too good. Once again, I'll just open this hood here so that you guys can see the engine detailing. Okay, that's it for this one. We'll move to the next car now. Just put in the wrapper again so that we'll preserve this car for a long time. Keep this aside. And what we have next? We have this one, a 1983 Buick Rivera, and this is also an awesome piece. I got this from Amazon, and it was a total look. There was a product they were selling, and there it's like in 699 you can get any car, and randomly I got this car, guys. I was not expecting this to come, but I was very happy when I saw this car in the box. It's like a small surprise only. So this is made of the zinc series. So this is the whole car is made of zinc, the base also and the body also. You can see here. Now starting from the front, you can see the grille and the headlights. Both are engraved on the zinc material, and this is very good. It's very shiny. It gives a chrome finish overall, and see the muscular look it is giving. So wide body. It's very good. And one thing I like about the Matchbox car is like they give mirrors and all. So that is a very interesting part. I like to tell you guys. So this also is very interesting. The door opens. See, this also a convertible only. This one is very tight. It opens very tightly, and this moves freely a little bit. So I'm telling about the detailing of this car, and the openable parts only gives a very the openable parts only gives very detailing of this car, like how detailed they are. So you can see the clicking of noise. This is my second convertible from the first convertible from the series, and the second one was this Japan series Honda S2000. And look at this interior. It's a four-seater, and how good it is, how big it is. In real life it's a muscle car, and it's very good. See the interior, how they have given the windshield and the doors. Just a little ASMR. The side, the lining is very good. I like how the curves are going, and the tires are made of plastic only. So that is okay. The tires are different here. You can see a little bit of paint over here on the tail light. There is a side light over here. This is also convertible only, guys, but this is from the muscle cars, from American muscle cars. Coming to the back, you can see that is not detailed this much, but they have engraved, and that looks good. This convertible part is also very good. Look at the sleek design of it from the side. Okay, let's go to the base. You can see it's written 1983 Big Rivera, made in Thailand, from Matchbox, and this base also is made of zinc only. So this is like from their recycled zinc metal series. So it is a very good model, guys. Let me give you a 360 look. Now we will see the next one, and this one is Nissan Leaf, and this is from the 2020 Nissan Leaf series. This is a very good model. This also comes with an openable doors. Whichever Matchbox I have, they come with some openable parts only. See the detailing guys of this car. This is made of metal, and the base is also metal, I think plastic. Yeah. See the front detailing, they are given in Nissan logo. Then the headlights are painted and it gives a very real look to it. You can see how 3D it looks from the front. The grille is also painted, the whole front is painted, but it gives very 3D look and it is awesome. See the glittery blue paint, very shiny. This also have mirrors and openable door. You can see the interior over here. I'm not able to show you much, but there it is. This much only we can see from here. For this car, the door is not that clickable. I think because it is very old, I got this from Hamleys. Yeah, it's clickable, guys. Sorry. Now there is a different thing I saw in this car. You can see the color on this door is different than this shade. You see here, it matches with the shade, okay, from the left side, but if you come on the right side, this door doesn't matches with the color. It is a little bit fade over here. I don't know how. When I bought it, from that time itself, the door is like this only, so it's not matching with the whole body. It's kind of error, or you can say a flaw, I don't know, but this color is doesn't matches with the whole body. It just gives a little fade over here. You can easily notice it from far away also. If you are seeing it, see this color like very much goes with it, but this door color don't. Coming to the back, you can see this is also painted only, but how cool look it, how cool it looks. If you able to see, like, it's very good. There is some paint has been faded from here. If you see the Leaf written, because I'm just putting it out nowadays for the showcase. I have to keep it preserve a little bit more carefully. You can see it's written zero emission Nissan Leaf, the Nissan logo, and the overall back, it looks very real, and the model itself is they are provided in very detailed fashion. So you can see the tail lights and all, they are very detailed. The back, the bumper, and all those things is very good. Let us come to the chassis. Chassis is also a little bit detailed. You can see a little elephant over here. I just noticed it today. A little elephant they have engraved over here. 2020 Nissan Leaf, made in Thailand. A very nice detail, a cute detail over here. And something here also they have provided a little bit details, the motor and all. Tires are of plastic only. So let me give you a 360 look again guys for this car. The door hinges, like there is separation over here, that doesn't look nice, but overall this car is very good. Because of the openable parts only you can see the separation, that's all. But look at this beauty. Okay, we have seen all three cars. That's all for today guys, and we'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed and keep sharing, keep liking. Let me give you a zoom detail over here. Okay guys, bye bye, we'll meet in next video.